are going through a mental health crisis? I'm taking that question to my guest this evening. Amrita Tripathi is the editor of Health Collective. She's joining us on Debrief today. Dr. Soumitra Pathare is director, Center for Mental Health, Law and Policy with us today. And Kamna Chibber is the head psychologist at Fortis Healthcare. She's joining us as well. Kamna, let me come to you first. Fortis, I know, runs a 24/7 helpline for people to reach out in case they are feeling any of the things we have spoken about in the last 5 to 7 minutes. I want to ask you whether the frequency of calls that you got last year, whether the frequency of calls is now increased, and what are the sort of calls that you are getting?
The frequency of calls, yes, we have been getting a lot of calls on our helpline. Like you said, it's a 24-hour helpline. We're getting calls from all across the country. It's run in 15 national languages. So the geography that we're covering is immense. And we have certainly seen a sudden, a continual increase in the calls where people are talking about the kind of stress, pressure, the intense anxiousness, worry that they have about the experiences that they're going through, that their family members are going through. And there is a lot of concern about how things will resolve, how it will get better, and how are we going to come out on the other side of this entire pandemic, and what is going to be the future outcome. Would we all be able to cope? And there are a lot of such calls which come to us where people a lot of times are feeling helpless, some of them even experiencing some amount of hopelessness, and there is a very significant rise in the kind of concerns that they're experiencing currently.
And Kamna, are these calls just coming to you from Delhi and Mumbai? Is there a particular age group you feel is calling you more than the other age group? Because right now what we are going through is something everyone is going through. Young children are going through it, teens are going through it, difficult times for them. Our elderly parents are going through it. So is there a particular demographic that is calling you more than the others, and from where are these calls coming?
These calls are coming to us from all across the country. Like I said, it's being run in 15 national languages, and we have been able to successfully reach into the varying depths of the country. We get calls from all across different states in different languages. We're able to provide them, the services of mental health and support through the different, team members that we do have. And the demographic, if you're looking at, I think right now, like you said, it's not restricted to any one particular age group. It's not just children or adolescents who are calling us, or the elderly who are calling us. We're getting calls from all across the age range, from all across in terms of gender as well, with all sorts of issues that people are going through currently. And right now, I think it is so important for people to reach out and share these experiences. So in fact, we're glad that we're being able to provide these services to people right now.